All right, we got a high volume on a, it's kind of like a really dangerous time right here. Again, want to see if this pivot of at least the 75 to 80 can work, and it's working so far. Again, they do not need to touch this 2040 or they're going to go down in a major way, but I will not be looking for shorts right here, right now. I would let some stuff set up. Even though some stuff has broken down, I wouldn't be looking that way. NQ ended up positive, but a small body day, so you don't negate that it's going up just because that's small body day. That looks good. Excuse me, the Dow component, the Apple's in there. And again, what I was trying to figure out is, again, if you were watching my videos and I was saying that Wednesday should have been a down day, kind of usually stocks enter indexes on Fridays. So they entered Apple in yesterday so the Fed could intervene so it wouldn't be a down day. So kind of threw me off, and I was wondering why it was that day, but it is what it is. So to continue, the IWM is up. It was up a little bit. Again, it's gone, moving well. Volume is good. Can't say anything bad about that one. Apple. Again, I have some stuff that you want to be careful. Make sure it doesn't break below at least this low right here. It's 125.50, but it's still looking good. Again, Amazon, you're looking at that one to say, okay, it kind of gave a little flash up, but it's sideways. So we'll see how this moves up. It needs to either continue the uptrend or it's going to come down and test this. So want to be cautious regarding that. FireEye, again, I'm not in anything. So just kind of just looking at this price action and see where it's going. Google gave a nice inside bar. So again, if it breaks above this one, it could continue and it looks good. USO, again, they reversed it very quickly on the bulls that were basically trying to just take a one bar pullback. Again, crude is not going to bottom in one bar. It's going to take months to bottom crude. I'm just saying that again, if you're trading wiggles and stuff, it is not going to bottom in one day. I just kind of would just, people keep asking me if it's the bottom or not. I don't know, but it's definitely not going to be from, I thought the bottom was in yesterday. That's not how this thing works out. So again, you have a nice inside bar and price line. This is fine. Again, we want to see if it breaks up above. Yeah, Bank of America actually breaking down. Broke down pretty hard actually. So this one is definitely going to come back test this. My original short, again, if you guys remember, were around here. So it came back in there and again, it gave a lower high. Nice short signal down 2.3%, which is something to say. You got, who else? Tesla. Still, again, I'm looking, I might short Tesla tomorrow, depending on how it looks. I might short Tesla. It's still looking like it's a beat up name, and again, it's still fighting its 200 level. I think it could go down further. I just got to do some more analysis to kind of see exactly where I want my target. My target would probably be this 175, 180 range at least. So that would be 10 bucks. At least. So again, we would just want to see how this one plays out. We had GS again sideways, but again, this is not something you would say, am I going to go short? You would say, okay, if it breaks above here, it's a little tight flag, continue for more upside. So um, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to start rambling just to make time. So again, just be cautious. Again, if you're in your longs, congratulations. If you're in your shorts and they're working, congratulations. Overall market trend is up. Is just with yesterday's price action, kind of just like, damn, I would love for it to just been, uh, after this huge day just to continue up. But again, we have an overnight session, and if it goes, then it tests that 2160, and I mean, it could even go to 2300, quite honestly. With the way things are looking. So again, we want to see it hold this level, hold this 80 pivot, around 80, 27 pivot, and kind of go from there. All right, take care. Trade them well.